Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're starting here from Driven Cafe. Here comes the IT guy, Mr. Avinash, the camera guy shy. Alright, so from here we are heading out for a short trip of about 70 kilometers up and 70 kilometers down, where we're just going out just like that, Sunday ride. And here we go, we are at Driven Cafe, and the good part about Driven Cafe is the bikes here. You can rent it out, all the bikes. We have about Harleys, Triumphs, Benellis, Ducatis, MV Agusta, and the Busa, and the Ninja 1400, and the Triumph. Pretty nice, right? So if you are like really hardcore fans of super bikes and premium bikes, and if you are like not interested in spending around 10 or 11 lakhs, you can just come here, rent it out, and fulfill your dreams. Okay, and here we go. Nadrare ni enkamma. So this is my car, Swift at Momo Alloys, little bit modification. Let's go.
It is very hot. Olanta chamata patting. Time is up. You stupid. ఇప్పుడు ఏది తీసుకోవాలి? వరంగల్ కాదా?
Next, ఇది కీసరా, ఇది ECIL road ఇది. Then we will be taking the next exit to Warangal highway. Almost there, Warangal exit 09. 09. Alright, we are stuck in this situation again, guys. Not again, first time basically. I don't have a Fastag. I bought it. The sticker is lying in my house. I did not stick it as I'm a lazy facing the Vrat on the highway where all the Fastag lanes are empty and where you can go freely, but we are stuck in this cash lane. Sad. So as and when I go home, first jese panendra,
Fastag తీసి కార్కి
so as and when I go home, I'll be sticking the Fastag here. Have to at any cost. Lesson learnt. So guys, please who are traveling on highways through car, in car, get your Fastags. Fastag, no Fastag, wait time at toll gates. Please ra, having palli while waiting for cash payment.
Suicide తీసుకోవాలి.
Yeah. So guys, lesson learned. Get Fastags for your cars. Move fast.
In the meantime, eat palli.
If you don't, get pallis and eat pallis. Okay? There you go. At last. I'm about to pay cash.
క్యాష్ ఉందా?
Yeah. Stopped here at a place called Hotel Deepti. We're going to lunch చేసేసి we'll head to our destination.
7 members in the auto. చెప్పు ఏదో చెప్తావు
7 people in the auto కాదు 8 people డ్రైవర్ తో కలిపి ఫోటో తీస్తలేదు
ఎందుకంటే లైసెన్స్ పోతుంది అందు గురించి వద్దా అంటుండు.
ఏం లైసెన్స్ బాబు పోయేది
వెనకాల కోతిని కౌంట్ చేద్దా సారీ ఇక్కడ వెనకాల
చలో గాయ్స్ ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద డే
ఏడేంటి అయింది ఇంకా స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది ఇప్పుడు.
ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద బ్లాగ్ హియర్. సో
అత్తాపూర్ పోయేదాకా ఏమైతే తెలియదు
ఏమైతే తెలియదు కాదు కానీ నేను ఇక్కడ బ్లాగ్ ఎండ్ చేసేస్తున్నా. ఐఎమ్ ఎండింగ్ ద బ్లాగ్ హియర్ గాయ్స్. నీకెందుకు ఖుషి అవుతుందిరా?
గిరాక్ నడిపిస్తుండ్రా భయ్.